Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to read the security code from Nokia 3210 4G 2024 edition. We have here one sample which is requesting for the security code. It's not the default one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So since we don't know it, I'm going to use Furious Gold Box and SPD Service Tool latest version to read it. So let's start by powering off the device. Once the device is off, I'm going to the Diag Mode tab and choose our model, and from here I'm going to choose from the operation box read security code. Once I do this, I'm going to press the connect button, and when the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to simply connect the USB to the phone. Be sure that you have the drivers installed, so let's attach the cable. So in 1 minute, we got here the security code. As you can see, the code is shown here. This is a WorldForce feature. So now let's disconnect the phone. Let's reattach the battery since this is needed. Let's power it on and try out the code we see here. So let's try the code 220219. So as you see, the code was successfully accepted. We can use this method to recover the code and prevent losing the data. Also, there is no other way to remove this code like doing a format from the Diag Mode as on the previous models. This is not going to work on these models. So once we're in the menu, we can go here and disable it. So that's all. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.